Prokaryotic organisms come in many different forms. Determining cell shape by microscopic examination is an important step in identifying a prokaryote. The three most common shapes of prokaryotic organisms are spherical, rod-shaped, and spiral. Round prokaryotic cells are called coccus, or cocci for plural. Rod-shaped prokaryotic organisms are called bacillus, or bacilli for the plural form. Spiral-shaped prokaryotes include the spirochetes, which include different species that cause syphilis and Lyme disease. Although all prokaryotes are unicellular, the cells of some species usually exist as groups of 2 or more cells. Cocci that occur in clusters are called Staphylococci. Cocci that occur in chains are called Streptococci. These include the bacterium that causes strep throat. Some prokaryotes grow as branching chains of cells. Some species even exhibit a simple division of labor among specialized types of cells. There are even some giant prokaryotic cells that are much larger than some eukaryotic cells. The giant bacterium, which lives in the gut of surgeonfish, is large enough to be seen with the naked eye and can grow up to 10 times the size of a typical eukaryotic cell.